Hello and welcome. My name is Yolandra. I'm lead esthetician here at Massage Envy Anthem. Topic of discussion: eliminating whiteheads and blackheads. Well, let's define whiteheads. Whiteheads are comedones and they are trapped matter under the skin. Skin usually grows over them. But sometimes when you use a lancet and press down gently, the professionals of course, out comes this little white kernel, little hard kernel. So it's at times it can be difficult to press into the skin to remove a whitehead. There's been times where we have been lucky to do it just manually without lancets. But blackheads, on the other hand, the biggest misconception is that it's bacteria, and it's not bacteria. It is oxidized sebum, but it's not very pretty to look at. And a lot of the times the blackheads loves to flourish on the nose, on the olfactory there. And when we're seeing someone, that's the first thing that they see is the nose. So blackheads, they can be extracted easily, wonderfully. But sometimes when the skin is dehydrated and the skin is dry, there's not enough oil in the follicle to help press out the blackhead. But coming to a professional, we have ways. Now, also like to add that improper cleansing aids in congestion and compromised barrier. So therefore, improper cleansing is a huge factor. I'm seeing a lot that we're cleansing, but we're not toning, or we just are maybe using a bar soap. Why? It was made of goat's milk, but still and yet it's alkalinity, it's alkaline. So whatever you place on the skin is going to mimic. It's all about pH. We want to keep that pH at a 4.5, 5.5, a thriving garden. Why? To keep the blackheads away and the whiteheads away. Home care is essential. Here we're in-house, so we're only 20% of your regimen. Your regimen, you are your 80%. So home care is essential. Home care, as far as blackheads and whiteheads, I like the proactive pore treatment. I've used it and I've seen immediate results. Proactive, they also have a blackhead dissolver. Also, the toner of Proactive, the balancing toner is great. Again, the encapsulated benzoyl peroxide, salicylic acid from the wintergreen plant, the glycolic acids, the anti-inflammatories. That is what your home care should look like when you are wanting to eliminate whiteheads and blackheads. As far as in-house care, which would be us, the 6-week Proactive series is good for sure, but the Jamarini glycolic facials are fantastic. Glycolic is the catalyst, the vehicle to decongest the pore. You want to think about the acids, like the acids, they trickle into the follicle and they eradicate environmental pollutants, old makeup, unresolved oil. That's what acids do. Jesner pills, which we perform here at Massage Envy. The microinfusion is a machine. It's a vacuum suction machine. Simultaneously, as we're feeding the skin, we are ablating the skin. The vacuum suction is suctioning the pores. And of course, it's nothing like good old manual extractions. Gentle, of course. But yeah, so eliminating whiteheads and blackheads, I find they're quite easy to do. And let us be your provider to do so, because we have a proven track record. Skin talks. And thank you for listening.